Sonam and this Raj Kushwa given 2 days police custody, and others, that is Anand, Vishal and Akash, they were given 14 days judicial custody.
Sir, your name, please.
My name is T. Chanda and my colleague additional PP, she was there, Jyoti K. Mara, from the prosecution side. And from legal aid, Mr. Sudeep Rana and Priti Pradhan.
Sir, what is the reason that only 2 days custody was given?
No, that I can. That is for investigation.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.